This bit is for applying resin on a 3D surface. For example, even a jhumka. You may need to make trials yourself to see if it works. Use a brush and apply slowly. Once again, let the resin sit for about 10 to 12 minutes before you apply with the brush. Cover thoroughly. Try to use a flat synthetic hair brush for this because they are ideal for application on flat surfaces. Preferably hang it so that the resin doesn't touch any surface.